Class 2, topic number 35. Topic name: words with same sound. Rainbow, wasn't that a lovely party? I ate 8 ice creams. Why are you laughing, Rainbow? Oh, it was something I said. Sounds like I ate and ate. Well, I did. I ate 8 ice creams. What? I did it again? I see. I used the words ate and ate, both sounding like ate. But whereas ate is the past tense of eat, 8 is the number which comes after 7. Such words which sound the same but have different meanings are called homonyms. Let's look at a few examples to understand. Here is an orange tree which is bare. Let's put some oranges on the tree. See, Rainbow, here are 2 baskets of oranges with words written on them. Choose one word, pear, from basket A, and its same sounding word, pear, from basket B. Pin the 2 oranges together and place them on the tree. It is very simple. Come on, Rainbow. It is your turn now. Choose one word from basket A. Plain. Look for its homonym in basket B. Yes, it is plain. Next, sail. And sail. Right. Then weak. And no, not wake. Try again, Rainbow. Yes, it is weak. Next, see. And see. Good. Let us do another activity. Here are some sentences. Fill in the blanks with the correct homonym from the brackets. Are you ready, Rainbow? Start! Now let's have some fun, Rainbow. Match the pairs of homonyms. Excellent, Rainbow. Choose any 2 pairs of homonyms and write 4 sentences using them correctly.